हेलो गाइस, कैसे हो आप सब लोग। आई होप ऑल आर डूइंग वेल एंड फाइन। आई एम लोहित जिंदल, फाउंडर एंड डायरेक्टर एट Cortex Classes. So guys, I'm back with the next video of IOQM 2020, and in this video we are going to see the question number 24. Okay, so this question is based on kind of coordinate geometry. उसकी help के बिना नहीं हो पाएगा. We'll see the question. Okay, quite an interesting one. And just one request before beginning, guys. तो प्लीज सॉल्व द क्वेश्चन अलॉन्ग साइड, और एटलीस्ट आपने पहले अटेम्प्ट कर लेना इसको. ओके, बिकॉज जस्ट वॉचिंग द वीडियो वुड नॉट हेल्प यू मच, बट अलॉन्ग साइड एटलीस्ट सॉल्व करो ताकि आपको समझ में आए साथ साथ में, राइट. ऑल राइट, लेट मी गेट टू द कॉरेस्पॉन्डिंग स्लाइड. ऑल राइट गाइस, सो हियर्स द क्वेश्चन गाइस. ठीक है. A light source at the point 0, 16 in the coordinate plane casts light in the all directions. Okay, draw कर लेते हैं guys. So let's say this is the point. Okay, y axis and x axis. तो गाइज यहाँ पे आपके पास लाइट सोर्स है 0, 16 पे, एंड यू हैव अ डिस्क रेडियस 2 का एट सेंटर एट 6, 10. ओके, यू हैव अ डिस्क, सो द सेंटर इज एट 6, 10. ओके, नेवर माइंड. सो ये कोऑर्डिनेट है गाइज 6, 10 पे, राइट. तो पॉइंट इज गाइज, उससे क्या करे, लाइट जा रही है तो शेडो बिल्ड होगी. सो लाइक दिस इज द फर्स्ट एंड पॉइंट ऑफ द शेडो. Okay, all right, so this is the other one. Okay, थोड़ा जाएगा, हम सही कर लेते हैं इसको. Okay, just a second guys. Let me draw it somewhere here around here. इसको तो डिलीट कर देते हैं. Like this. Like this. Okay, so guys, this is the center as I said. Okay, I'm sorry. So center of the circle is at 6, 10. तो guys हमें ये shadow ढूंढना है, this length, right. जो shadow बनेगा कहाँ बनेगा, on this length. So this is the shadow's length that we have to find. Okay, on the x-axis. So guys, how do we solve it using coordinate geometry का use करना पड़ेगा, without it will not be able to do it much, right. तो guys क्या करेंगे, let us take a line, because हमें guys y intercept पता है ना, which format we use, we can make our method to be very efficient, right. Rather than finding tangents directly to the circle from the point 0, 16, which might have been done by many people, कि 0, 16 से tangents draw करें, है ना. That is not wrong at all, it is completely fine. But calculation wise guys, I think many of you people might not be knowing, अगर आप 11th class से कम क्लास में हो, मे बी आपको इतना ज्यादा ना पता हो, बट यस ओलंपियाड के लिए अगर पढ़ा होगा तो शायद पता हो 11th का कोऑर्डिनेट ज्योमेट्री. बट इवन देन you can use some other method. You can just assume a line, general straight line, or even if थोड़ा ज्यादा पता है तो you could use an intercept form of a line, right. What I'll do guys, let us say there's a point a comma 0 on the, let's say this point is a comma 0 on the line, right, जो कि shadow का end point है. So that means the line joining these two points, right, it should be at a distance of 2 from the point 6, 10. I can use this thing, right. So let me write the equation down. So y minus 0, I'm writing the equation through this a comma 0, right. So y minus 0 is equal to, slope कितना आएगा guys, 16 upon minus a. The slope of the line will be minus 16 by a into x minus a, right. So if you open it up, what you'll get, ay प्लस 16x, अगर आप इसको ओपन करते हो, एंड plus 16a, so it is equal to minus 16a equal to 0. This is the equation of the straight line, right. So now guys, all we have to do is apply one condition कि इसका जो ये डिस्क का टेंजेंट होना चाहिए ना, a could be anything otherwise, it has to be a tangent to the disk. That means from the point 6, 10, it has to be at a distance of 2 units. इसका डिस्टेंस जो 6, 10 से होना चाहिए, it has to be 2 units. So we need to apply the perpendicular distance of a point from a line. There is no workaround about it, right. Okay guys, you could have used intercept form directly guys, otherwise as I'm telling you, इंटरसेप्ट फॉर्म भी आप यूज कर सकते थे, स्टिल यू विल गेट द सेम इक्वेशन ऑफ द लाइन, y upon a x upon a plus y upon 16 equal to 1. You could have used this format as well. ठीक है, तो क्या करेंगे इसका सेंटर 6,10 से डिस्टेंस, तो व्हाट इज द मेथड, पॉइंट को उस लाइन में पुट कर देते होते हैं, y की वैल्यू 10 है, सो विल गेट 10a plus 16 into 2, sorry 16 into x coordinate is 6 minus 16a divided by root of coefficients का square guys. So what is the coefficients, a square plus 16 square का root, this is 2, actually the modulus value is 2. Okay, so we need to do perfect square, whole square as well. Okay, पहले थोड़ा simplify कर लेते हैं, तो 10a minus 16a is, and 16 into 6 is 96 minus 6a का mod is equal to 2 times root of a square plus 16 square. So guys, when you can cancel out a factor of 2, this will cancel for 3 and this is 48. So guys, squaring both sides, right? Yeah, so क्या आएगा guys यहाँ से, तो you can take a 3 common as well. तो guys 3 का स्क्वायर 9 बाहर आ जाएगा जब स्क्वायर करेंगे आप, तो 16 माइनस a का स्क्वायर, we get 16 minus a का whole square equal to a square plus 16 square, right? So let's open it. So 9 into 16 square minus plus 9a square minus 16 into 2, 32 into 9. Okay, 9 into 32a equal to a square plus 16 square. So let's see guys, अब क्या मिलेगा आपको यहाँ से. Let us take everything to one side. So 9a square minus a square is 8a square minus 9 into 32a. Constant कितना आएगा, see guys, 9 into 16 square minus 16 square. So you'll get plus 8 into 16 square equal to 0. So what you can see here guys, you can cancel a factor of 8 here, right? ये cancel करेगा इसको 8, 32 को 4 पे, and ये cancel हो गया factor. So your calculation will become a bit easier. A square minus 9 into 4, 36a plus 256 or 16 square basically. You can write as 256 equal to 0. So guys, do consider it. आपको roots नहीं निकालने. You are not supposed to find the roots. आप ढूंढ सकते हो, that is not an issue, but you actually need to find the length of the shadow, right? Actually what you need is difference of roots. So you need difference of roots, meaning root a1, difference of roots is a1 minus a2 का root, magnitude, right? Mod. So what is that value? Difference of roots from a quadratic equation, we know the formula is root d by a, root d by mod a, in which this case guys mod a is 1. Here the a is coefficient of a square, right? I could have taken some other variable I think to make it better. Okay, but anyways you need to find root d. A की value तो 1 ही है, तो root d कितना आएगा, let's see. So guys, that is 36 square minus 4 times 16 square, right? I think guys we can make some calculation easier. तो कितना आएगा ये, 36 square is guys 4 square 9 square, right? तो you can take a 4 square outside. So 4 बाहर आ जाएगा, रूट में क्या बचेगा, 9 square 81 माइनस, अगर आपने guys 16 square में से एक 16 बाहर निकाला है, right? So 4 बाहर आया है, so 16 into 4, 64 is left inside, right? So guys we are finally getting the distance L, या shadow length L लिख लेते हैं उसको. तो L की वैल्यू क्या आ रही है guys, finally 4 root 70, right? 64 और 81 का difference, right? 70. So guys that was given to us as m root n. So in this case let's see, so what is m, corresponding value of m is 4 and n is 70. So guys we are supposed to find m plus n, right? So m plus n is going to be 21, that's it. 17 plus 4, right? So guys the final answer जो आप इस question का mark करेंगे, that is going to be 21, right? So I understand guys, many of you might be thinking for this question कि ये तो coordinate geometry के बिना होना ही नहीं था, yes, it was very difficult otherwise. I don't know if there is any method otherwise solve करने का कोई simpler method होता होगा ऐसा, but I have not come across such a method. Guys, if you have done with other method like with the some use of geometry, Euclidean geometry, then do post in the comment box. I'll be happy to learn new things as well, right? अगर किया है तो I was not able to do it is very easily in that case, right? But yes, I've tried to simplify it using coordinate geometry. So I think guys 11th class के students must have been able to do this thing since they have learned coordinate geometry in class 11th. But I am not sure if 8 9 10th class के students ने ये पढ़ा होगा, and it's not as such very prominent in maths olympiad also. बहुत कम rarely question आता है जिसमें coordinate geometry का use होता हो, and that too this extensively, right? So this was the first time I guess जिसमें इतना extensive use हो रहा था coordinate geometry का, otherwise generally ऐसा नहीं होता है, right? So don't worry about it, you could have focused on other questions as well, right? All right, so guys that's it from my end. I hope आप सबको ये समझ में आया method. It was very easy questions if you think it in terms of the 11th class questions जो लोग जेई के लिए पढ़ते हैं. Actually this was not that difficult. Okay, so I hope guys सबको ये clear होगा question, and we'll see you in the next video with the next question, and till then with the 25th question, and then all the best guys. See you in the next video. Okay, bye bye, take care, bye bye.